Hello scholars, so in this video we are going to be discussing on the topic bearing, and under this topic we are going to be answering questions that involves conversion of a compass bearing to 3-digit bearing. So let's get started. So the question here says change the following compass bearings to 3-digit bearing. Number one, here we have 40 degrees southeast. So we have to change this compass bearing to a 3-digit bearing. So how do we do that? So the first thing we have to do is to get the 4 cardinal points. Here's the north, the south, the west, as well as the east. So 40 degrees southeast. So that means the bearing is between the south and the east. So we are going to have it this way: 40 degrees southeast. So it comes from the south and then moving towards the east. You need to know that for the compass bearing, that the starting point is usually from the north or from the south. For a compass bearing, the starting point is usually from the north or from the south. So in this case, we have 40 degrees southeast. So the starting point is the south. So we have it from here to this side. That's 40 degrees. All right. So now we want to change this compass bearing to a 3-digit bearing. And for a 3-digit bearing, the starting point is usually from the north. For a 3-digit bearing, the starting point is usually from the north and it moves clockwise. So we have it to be from here down to this point. It moves clockwise. So and you need to know that sum of angle in a straight line is 180 degrees. And for each of the cardinal points, the angle between them is 90 degrees. So we want to get the bearing angle from here down to this point. So if this side is given to be 40 degrees, and we are actually aware of this, that from here now to this side is 90 degrees. So out of 90 degrees, we've gotten 40 degrees. So what we have left here is 50 degrees. Do you understand? So having known that this is 50 degrees, and between the north and the east, the angle here is 90 degrees. So if we total this, 90 plus 15, that will give us 140 degrees. I hope you understand. So that means that the compass bearing we have here, which is 40 degrees southeast, has its value in 3 digits to be 140 degrees. I hope you understand. All right, so let's answer the second question. So the second question there says change 50 degrees southwest to 3-digit bearing. So we have the north, south, west, and the east. So 50 degrees southwest. So this is the south, this is the west. So the starting point is from the south. So from this point down to this side, that is where we have 50 degrees. So let's change this to a 3-digit bearing. For 3-digit bearing, the starting point is usually from the north and it moves clockwise. So from this point down to this point, and from here down to this point, we want to get the total angle there. So now we know that here to here is 90, here to here is also 90. Or you can do where to do it this way, that angle in a straight line is 180 degrees. So that means from here now down to this point is 180 degrees. So together with this 50 degrees, so that will give us 180 degrees plus 50 degrees. And that will give us 230 degrees. Like I said, we are trying to get the angle now from this point down to this point. Remember we said it starts from the North Pole and it moves clockwise. So we already know that here to here is 90. Here to here is also 90. So if we sum it up, that's 180 degrees. Or do it this way, angle in a straight line, that is 180 degrees. So having gotten 180 degrees, what we have left from here to here, it is 50 degrees. So 180 plus 50 degrees, that would give us 230 degrees. So that means the compass bearing 50 degrees southwest is equivalent to 230 degrees for 3-digit bearing. So let's do the third question. So for the third one, we have 40 degrees northwest. 40 degrees northwest. 40 degrees northwest. No, this is north, here is the west. 40 degrees, so from the north down to this side, that's 14 degrees. northwest. So we want to get the 3-digit bearing for this value. So like I said earlier, the starting point for 3-digit bearing is from the north and it moves clockwise. So from here now down to this point. So how do we get this done? We know that here to here is 90. Here to here is also what? Also 90. That is, angle in a straight line is known to be 180 degrees. Here is 90. Here is 90. Also, for between the west and the south is also 90 degrees. So 90 plus 90, that's 180. 180 plus 90, that's 270. So we want to get the angle here now. This is the angle we want to get. And remember we said between the north and the west is also 90 degrees. So out of 90 degrees, we've already gotten 40 degrees. So what we have left is going to give us 50 degrees. Do you understand? So here to here is 180. With this 90, that's 270. So let's now add everything up. 90 plus 90, 180. 180 plus 90, that's 270. And then 270 plus 50. And that will give us 320 degrees. Do you understand? So that means that 40 degrees northwest is equivalent to 320 degrees in 3-digit bearing. All right, so let's do the final question. So let's try to answer the last question. We have 30 degrees northeast. So the first thing there, we have the 4 cardinal points, north, south, west, and the east. So we have 30 degrees found between the north and the east. Here's 30 degrees. So we want to get this changed to a 3-digit bearing, where we have the starting point coming from the north and moving clockwise. So to do this now, from the north now down to this side, it is still what? 13 degrees. From this point to this point, that's 30 degrees. So to do this now, we are going to have it to be 030 degrees. We said 3-digit bearing. So instead of we having just 30 degrees, make it what? 030 degrees to be a 3-digit bearing. I believe we understand. So we've come to the end of today's class. Please kindly help to like, to share, and then to subscribe. Thank you very much. See you in our next class. Bye.